Today, I'm going to be sharing some new to me products that I have been testing out. I'm going to demo all of them, actually. Going to talk about all of them. Let's get into the video. I have been noticing that my neck is looking a little crepey and I'm getting that little tech neck thing there. And so I decided to test the new Nira on my neck specifically. Now you can use this on your entire face. This is the Pro version. It's a little bit bigger, as you can see. Super easy to use. And I'm going to tell you right now, I love this device. The fact that it's so easy to use, I don't get any zapping or anything. I love it. So I have been using this right now for about 2 weeks. I'm going to continue using it and you will see me do a follow-up video on my progress on it. But so far I'm really I look forward to using this. I'm using it twice a day. You can use it twice a day. You can use it once a day, but I chose to use it twice a day and I've had no irritation with this at all. So let's get into the details of this while I show you a little bit of a demonstration. Pro Laser is FDA cleared and it's clinically proven to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. So what it does is it stimulates the natural collagen production for younger looking skin, and you can see results within 90 days. You'll see them before 90 days, but you will see them within 90 days. There's 5 levels of this. I started out at level 1 and right now I'm using level 2. Now I just want to say this too. It doesn't, in my opinion, doesn't matter what level you're on. So if it takes you a while to get to level 5, you're still going to see results. 5 levels, there's no pain or redness or downtime, which I love. But there's a lot of people that can't use retinol products on their neck, so this is fabulous. It's super easy to use. It doesn't take me very long. I do it in the morning and I do it at nighttime. So what I do is after I wash my face, because you want to make sure that your skin is all clean, you want to make sure it's dry. You don't want to have any products on it. Then you just use it. Again, you don't have to specifically just use it in the areas I'm using it. You can use it on your face as well. But this is just where I'm using it. Eventually I may move it to around other parts of my face, but I just have been having some issues, noticeable issues with my neck and my jawline and everything that I wanted to use it there specifically, and we'll see the results. Again, this is FDA cleared. So what it does is it gently heats the dermis to stimulate the natural collagen production. And again, you see results within 90 days. This will help to tighten your skin, helps even out your skin tone, helps lift hooded eyes, brighten dark spots, and improve acne scarring. And this at-home laser treatment, so simple to use, fast and effective, and it's a fraction of the price if you were to go to a professional in-office laser treatments. And that's what I love about this. You can just do this at your leisurely at home. It builds collagen and renews your skin, and it helps to smooth fine lines and wrinkles. So as I said, my area for me is this area right here. And I've been using it under here because you can use it all here. So we can firm this area out as well, tighten, lift this area here. And I've been using it on my jawline, and I'm also using it right here where I was starting to notice a little bit of lines going on there. And again, I just am loving this because again, there's no pain. It's like boom, 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 boom. You saw how I did it. Super easy to use. Now, something I wanted to share with you are some of the sounds that this makes. So when you turn it on, you're going to hear that little sound, and you saw a little close-up version too as well of what the lights look like. I'm going to hold it back here. You can't see it, but they're like kind of light green lights. So as you press it, I have it on 2 right now, but go up, hear it kind of go up, and then it gets to the 5th level. Now, when you turn it off, you're just going to press it in like this. It's going to go off, okay? So you got to press it in, hold that button in, and then it'll turn off. As you're using it, there's no button to hold. You just put it on that area that you're using it, and I'll show you because I'm going to do it on my hand too. You can use this on the back of your hands as well. So I love this device. I think I may be using it there next, okay? But I'm just doing it on this area right now. So again, turn it on. Always check where your thing is at, your level is at, because if you're don't realize you're pressing it. If you're not ready for a level 5, you don't want to put on your face a level 5 unless, you're ready for it. So this is just at level 1. I'm just going to put on the back of my hand. Now, know what that sound was? I moved my hand. So it's going to tell you, hey, you're not doing it right. You got to hold it down. So when you're holding it down, you're going to hear that, okay? And then as you go along, you're going to hear the fan kick on in a second. Just going to kind of go over my hand. You can go to the other hand if I run out. Oh, see, I didn't hold it down all the way. It's kind of like a misfire, okay? And then again, after a little bit, you're going to hear different sounds, kind of like doo-doo-doo-doo-doot. You'll hear it. See that? Just keep on going along. And then when you're done, you just press that. I love this. The next thing that I want to talk about, now this isn't new, but I want to talk about this because it's really, really important. When you're using this, you want to make sure that your skin is hydrated. When you start using this, you want to make sure that your skin is clean and dry. You don't want any products on there, but when you're done, you definitely want to hydrate your skin. And that's when this comes in. This is the Nira Moisture Lock, and this has hyaluronic acid in it, and it is fabulous. When you're treating an area, especially that's where you want to put it. You can definitely use it on your whole face, but you want to put it on the area that you just did. And a little tip, you want to make sure that you are putting a thermal spray on it before you are applying this, because this is going to hydrate your skin so much better when you're hydrating, when you're spraying a little bit of water, thermal water on it first, as opposed to doing it on dry skin. Okay, so you want to do that first and then apply this, and it is fabulous. It's fabulous. I have not had any issues like with dryness or feeling itchy. And like I said, I'm doing it twice a day. That's just a big deal because I feel like our neck is kind of sensitive for a lot of us. And the fact that I can do it twice a day, it's not irritating. And yeah, I just love it. By using the Nira Moisture Lock, not only is it going to lock the moisture into your skin, it's going to also look more radiant. And it's formulated with 4 natural ingredients that's suitable for all skin types. This will also help to diminish the appearance of lines and wrinkles too. This is going to help to plump up your skin. It's very, very light. It's great for all skin types, and it's very, very hydrating. And I highly, highly recommend that you are using this along with your laser. This is a new product to Nira that I'm really excited about, and this is the Youth Renewal Peptide. It's fabulous. I actually have it on under my makeup today, and I like the way my makeup looks when I'm wearing this. So after I do my treatment, after I apply this, I will apply this as sometimes I do apply it right away. If I'm doing a no makeup day, then I will apply this next. Otherwise, I will add this after some of my other serums, but I love this. And you'll see what the pump looks like. Really nice pump on it. I just use a little bit, and since I'm doing this twice a day, I actually use this twice a day. Peptides are really, really important because it helps to build collagen in your skin. So this is a luxurious and lightweight formula. It has a powerful blend of active ingredients, including a multi-peptide complex, Matrixyl 3000, and arginine, and it's clinically proven to increase collagen production by up to 250% for visible dramatic wrinkle reduction in just 60 days. Nira's peptide cream also brightens and evens out the skin tone. It smooths skin texture and deeply hydrates to reveal an instantly renewed radiant appearance, which I absolutely agree with. It's fragrance-free, it's cruelty-free, it's paraben-free, and it's non-comedogenic, which is really, really important. The active ingredients in this peptides, vitamin C, E, and B3. It also contains caffeine and natural oils. So I have been really, really enjoying using this. This is such a nice addition to this line. I'm really enjoying using these products. I will come back to you in about 90 days and I will give you an update on how this is going. But I'm really excited to see their results, and I'm sure you're excited to see them too. I have a code below. It's 10% off. I will leave all the details below. Let me know. Have you been using the Nera Pro? Have you tried it yet? Let me know in the comments, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.